start recording. Sorry. So here, if I am checking for this array variable, and so let us see now what is this format here. So at very first initial point, I take one numerics, and second time, and I am going to display in the format of numeric, and the second time I am going to display in the format of variables. Okay, some strings. Okay. So font size, can you able to view? No problem, right?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Good. Okay. Good. So once I want to check this information, so I am going for your folder. I mean this folder, and here I am going to start with the JavaScript class too. Okay. And here I am starting going to check the how like it will be displayed, and now you can find in the inspect. In the inspect, you can able to find the first array is like numeric, second array is like override with the strings. Okay, so likewise we can able to pass, either we can able to pass the numerics, and also we can able to pass the strings, and also we can able to pass the combination also. So let us think Bengaluru, and also I want to give some kind of 101. Okay, so in this case too, in this case also it will be available like this Bengaluru 101. Okay, Bengaluru and 101, and also you can able to, but that is not a recommended format. In general, an object should be of same data type, but we can able to pass either numeric and string both at a time, but that is not a recommended format. I mean the standards, W3 standards. Why? Because while array means it is an object, or it is a content where it should render only the same data type related information. Okay, so that's how that's the meaning of an array. Okay, and arrays, a part of that, suppose if you want to join, or suppose if you want to convert an array to string, and also we'll see first to pop method in the array, like console.log pop, and I will be having here like array variable dot pop. So if I am checking this, and I don't want to assign this one, and for now, and so the variable whatever we will get, like we get this array Bangalore, Tokyo, and Singapore, and you can find the pop value is like Singapore. It will remove the last element from the array, and it will give us that element. Okay, so it will remove the last element from the array. It will remove the, and then it will result at that error. So you might get a question, what the pop will return. So pop will return the last element of an array. Pop will return last element of an array. Okay, and one more thing is like, we have, suppose if we, one more thing is like push. Okay, one more thing is like push, and we can capture push method, push, and I am going to give here some array variable dot push, and I am going to mention here inside this. Yeah, so this will add push will add new element to an array at the end. This will add new element to an array at the end. Okay, so it is like this. Let us think. I am going to do some New York, and the details will give, this method will add new element to an array, like but it should be assigned somewhere. So let me assign this like okay, let me, initially I don't have this one, and then okay, so here in the push, first of all I have the where element, and also here I have this information, like I can find here the array variable, like sorry, I think now the value of the array is changed, that's why it's getting like that. Let us think, I have this one here, and I want to push that value to the this New York value. So now I can find this push the console.log log, and I am giving some push here, and I am giving some comma. So now you will be finding here should be here of, and push number 4. Uh, push number 4, like but we can able to display that value. I mean the fourth value. Let us think like, I have one demo or some para I have. Let us think I have here some para, some para array result ID, and in this array result I want to push. Let us think I want to push like document dot get element by ID, and then here I am giving some um, here result, array result, and dot inner HTML some fruits, no, not array variable. Okay, so here I will be now here you will be having that value. This value is displayed now in the this array result para. So if you are finding that one here, so let me this one, that HTML cannot check property of null. of null. 1 second. I think I didn't refresh it. Console. Array variable. Okay. Array variable and cannot set property in HTML of dot id and this error result. I think somewhere I think we declared this now, right? And about shift also, shift parameter, which is used to return the string that will shift out, means it will shift out the value. I mean the first value. The first value it will shift from the variable. I mean it will take out the first value from the array. So let us think I have here one more time this array variable, or already we have the array variable here. So I can go for this array variable dot shift, and I am finding this now. I will find that it will pop out the, it will return the first element, of array. And one more thing is like unshift, it will add the new element to the array. Unshift, that is like a console.log array variable dot unshift, and here it is like some kind of California here. And if I am finding this again, I will be finding that again separate, and then now I will try to put that to name separate thing, and then I will display this one. Now we will be finding California to the front. Okay, California, it will add element to the first of array. Okay. So, and one more thing is like we are having one more thing is like length, as you are aware. Length is like California dot suppose array variable dot length. Okay, array variable dot length, and this array variable dot length I'm having here 4. Length is 4. 4 is displayed, and also if I want to delete a particular variable, like delete, so I'm giving some array variable, and I want to delete the California, and I want to console.log array variable. Okay, now you can find that is empty, it is deleted. Okay, it's deleted, and I'll be having deleted. And if I want to splice method, one more thing is like splice. It will remove the it can be used to add new elements to an array. Splice is used to add new elements to an array. So for example, if I am giving some kind of already I have this array variable like Tokyo and New Jersey and this. So if I want to add a new elements, if I want to add a new elements, I can go for splice, like array variable dot splice, and here I can go for some 2 comma 0. So the first one will be my the first one, the original array. The first one is like the index value. Suppose if I am adding some two other strings, it will be taking from the second. I mean second. Suppose if I am giving some value as some 2 comma 0 and 2 and 0, and I am giving some kind of London, and I'm giving some Frankfurt. So I will be finding a variable here. Like one is like second, from second onwards, London and Frankfurt. Frankfurt is added. Frankfurt is added, and part of that second parameters will tell, like it will define how many elements to be removed. So we are not removing anything. That's why it was showing. Let us think if I am going to remove something here. Now we can find, like earlier we are having Singapore. Now that Singapore is not there. Okay. So here it is, the first value is like index. First value is index, and second value is element to remove. Okay. From the first as index. You got this point, right? Means so, and one more thing we have, like a splice. If I want to remove the first element, so if I want to remove the first element here, like console.log array variable, and I'm giving like splice, and here it is 0 comma 1. So if I am checking now the variable, whatever it is there, it is spliced out, and I will be getting that value here. If you are checking here the variable like array variable, now you will be finding that value removed. It is removed from the variable. So this is for the splice first element, and here it is like splice based on index, and this is like delete element, and here it is like length, and here it is like okay, it's okay, and unshift this unshift adds element first. Okay. So now you will be finding all these details. Unshift and all. Okay, fine. Now you got it right. So almost we saw, and we'll see one more thing that is like merging. Suppose if I have one more thing like array, there is some cities, and it is some kind of, you know, we are taking some Morocco, and also we took some kind of Berlin, and we can take one more that is like Spain. Barcelona. Okay. So now we are having two different arrays. One is like array variable and array cities. So I want to merge. So how to merge it? Like merged array is equal to some kind of, I'm giving here array variable dot concat array cities, and console dot log. Here I am giving some merged array concat. So I can find this Morocco and Berlin and Barcelona, and a part of this concat, I have one more thing that is like a slice. Slice is used to out piece of an. It will remove the piece of an element from an array into a new array. It creates a new array. It does not remove any element from the. I mean, existing like that. So yeah. If I am checking with some, I have now this budget array, and I want to remove this some budget array like slice. And, I want to remove some third console.log. I'm going for merged array, and here I will be finding that third one. The uh, second, one second. Mm, So it should slice the syntax 0, and finally I can see God. Mm. The first one, actually the slice, what it will do, it will remove the first the top 0 comma 3 elements. It will remove. So let us take a new array compared to this. I will take a new array, then that should be fine. I think so. And here I am going to use this. It is coming. Okay, from you can see from Morocco, Berlin, and also Barcelona. This is the third index 1 0 1 2, 3. From the up to the third index, was split it, and uh, second, since I didn't mention here anything, let me do some mention something here. 0, nothing here, and 1. Let me do some 1. Alright. We can find Berlin and Barcelona. So it will slice the first one from the one end. If it is 0, 1 and 2 are displayed, and the first one will be sliced out. So if I am giving for some 0, okay, and nothing will be sliced out. If I want to display, give some sliced 2, and only the Barcelona will be displayed. The first 2 are sliced out. So if I want to display some 3, then nothing will be there because all the 3 are sliced out. It basically it will slice based on the elements, like one element or 2 elements or something. According to that, it will slice. So this one is outside. Okay, now slices based on the length. Okay. Length means, suppose if it is for 1, it will be it will remove the 1. If it is 2, it will remove the 2, and it will remove this 2. If it is 3, it will remove all the 3. Yeah. And one more thing is like to string. We can convert an array to string. That is console.log array cities dot to string. Now if I am checking now the value of this console.log array cities, okay, that first one is like, so all are, if they are converted, they will be not be in the format of an array, it will be in the format of a string. And if I want to know that this variable is like, and you can find after this what will happen if whenever you are calling this array cities, it will be coming it will be coming as a normal format only for this alone it will be changing to string. If I want to be that to be affected, I can make like this. Okay. So now you can find that string as still as an array, because it will only convert this value only to the string, but it won't affect the existing value of an array. And we have few more. They are like sorting. We have to sort a particular array. So to sort an array, it's like sort. We have to give and have to mention like this, and you'll be finding Barcelona and Berlin and Morocco. Okay. And if I want to reverse an array, if I want to reverse an array, so let me go for some sort this like this. And if I want to reverse this array, what is the reverse? There is one function known as reverse. Arr cities dot reverse. Okay. Now you will be finding arrays reversed. Okay, arrays reversed. And if I want to okay, do some numeric sort. So let us think. I have some variable and I have some points or some kind of marks. Okay, that is having some kind of numeric data. So some 45 and 55 and 85 and also 65 and 95, 96, like this I have. Okay. Some kind of data I have. Okay. So if I want to do sort for this, okay, console.log, let me first do here only marks.sort, and I am giving some. You are there, right? You are listening, right? So here marks and marks. Now I generally get the value, whatever it is, but coming for the marks to get affected. So I will push that to this. Now I will find 55, 65, 80 and 96. So you will get in general array question, how do you sort without using sort function? Okay, how do you sort without using a sort function? Means we can do some marks dot okay, I mean it's like, yeah, function a function a comma b, like we can do one more thing, like with the sort, that is like print sorry marks dot sort, and I am giving some function here. I am giving some a comma b, and I am return some a minus b. Okay. Return a minus b, and if I am checking, I want to push this value to some result, marks result, result, and that one here can be like marks result. Okay. Now you will be finding that mark 45, 55, 65, 80 and 96. Okay, this is one more way of sorting. This is one more way of sorting actually. And yeah, we came across things like, okay, okay, to object array, let us think we have one object array, and if I want to sort that object array, means yeah, let us think I have one object array, and that is like arrays, so which object array, and some kind of object array, some cities I give, and here it is like initially I have some city. Uh, I can have some city, and I have some city, and I can have some Bangalore, and also I have here some um, some kind of information like state, and it is like Karnataka. And here one more, let us think we have two entries, one more two entries, like one more thing. I have here like Hyderabad, Hyderabad, and like Telangana, and one more thing here. This let us push three. Yeah. And, so now, so this is a general object. I mean, general object array. Object array generally it will look like this. So if I want to sort this object array, if I want to sort this object array, then I have to go for object array cities dot sort, and here inside this I have to mention function, and it is like a comma b, and here I want to give some return some a dot year, no, not year, a dot city minus b dot city. Okay, now if I am checking this value to result, obj result is like this, right? And suppose if I want to give here some console dot log obj result, and I am going to check that value. Like you can find here Bengaluru, Belgaum, and also Belgaum and NGL. Okay, Belgaum. Okay. So let us give this value above. Okay. Let's give this value above, and yeah, I think we already have. Okay, fine, cool. Now if I am checking this here, Hyderabad, and welcome. 1 second, I think it should display the format. 1 second. Object dot sort and functions.